Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that can make a real difference in your battery maintenance routine, the NOCO GENIUS10 Smart Battery Charger and Maintainer. We've included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The NOCO GENIUS10 is an advanced battery charger that stands out for its versatility and smart features. It's designed to work with both 6V and 12V batteries, including lead-acid types like AGM, gel, and flooded batteries, as well as lithium-ion batteries, specifically the LiFePO4. This means it's an all-in-one solution for a variety of vehicles and equipment, whether you're dealing with cars, motorcycles, lawn mowers, or even boats. One of the most impressive aspects of the GENIUS10 is its compact size. It's about 17% smaller than its predecessor, the G7200, yet it delivers over 115% more power, making it a powerful contender in the smart charging market. But what truly sets it apart are its smart features. For instance, it has an integrated thermal sensor that adjusts the charging process based on ambient temperature. This prevents overcharging in hot weather and undercharging in cold weather, ensuring your battery stays in optimal condition no matter the climate. Another standout feature is its ability to charge batteries that are as low as 1V. If you have a completely dead battery, the GENIUS10 has a force mode that allows you to manually charge it down to 0V. This is particularly useful for reviving deeply discharged or neglected batteries, which can save you a lot of money in replacements. The NOCO GENIUS10 also excels in maintenance. It continuously monitors your battery's status, allowing you to leave it connected safely for extended periods without the worry of overcharging. This is perfect for those who may not use their vehicles regularly, like classic car enthusiasts or RV owners. Furthermore, the charger features precision pulse charging technology, which detects and reverses battery sulfation and acid stratification. This not only restores your battery's health but also enhances its performance and extends its lifespan. Now, who is this product suitable for? Essentially, if you own any vehicle that relies on a battery, the NOCO GENIUS10 is for you. Whether you're a casual driver, a motorcycle enthusiast, or someone who operates machinery that utilizes batteries, this charger can cater to your needs. It's particularly beneficial for those in areas with extreme weather conditions, as the temperature compensation feature helps to maintain battery health effectively. In practical use cases, think about those long winter months when your car may be sitting idle, or the summer boating trips when your marine battery needs some extra care. The GENIUS10 will keep your batteries charged and ready, so you don't have to worry about being stranded with a dead battery. It's also incredibly user-friendly, with clear instructions included in the user manual, making it easy even for those who may not be tech-savvy. In the box, you'll find the 10A charger, a 72-inch AC cable, an 80-inch DC cable with battery clamps, integrated eyelet terminals, a mounting bracket, screws, and the user manual. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, which speaks to the quality and durability of the product. In conclusion, the NOCO GENIUS10 Smart Battery Charger and Maintainer is a must-have for anyone looking to ensure their batteries are always in top condition. With its powerful features, compatibility with various battery types, and ease of use, it's a reliable solution for maintaining battery health. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.